In this tutorial, I will show you sky replacement tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I am in Adobe Photoshop and I have opened a beautiful landscape image which I collected from Pixabay. So I am first making it convert to smart object. You can also making it from here, convert for smart filters. So now I am going to edit menu and then I am accessing sky replacement from here. After accessing this tool, I am clicking here and you can see here is the presets. Here is the sunset skies, spectacular skies, and this is blue sky. So in this image, this is blue sky. I am replacing with, I can replacing it with this one or this one, which I feel better. I can easily replace this sky from here. So I think I am accepting this. You can also click here and get more sky. Actually, you can get more skies from download free skies from Adobe Creative Cloud, and after downloading you can upload these presets from here, import presets, or you can also import your own sky images from here. Just click here and you can able to upload this sky here. So after changing the sky, you have few options to customize it. If you make it, you can uprise shift edges or decrease the shift edges. I am making it decreasing the shift edges for this image. Also you can see here is the mountain and here is the sky, so it will fade the edge of connected these two portion. Also you have brightness. You can see this is sky adjustment and this is foreground adjustment. You can adjust sky brightness. You can see also you can able to update or customize temperature of sky adjustment. And you have another option, scale. You can scaling it. And also you can flip the sky. You can see I am flipping it, and also you have option to correct foreground. You will get a lighting mode, so you can make it screen. I am selecting screen for this image, or you can make it multiply. I think I'm accessing screen for that image. And also you can adjust foreground lighting from here or edge lighting from here. You can see you can adjust it, or you can also adjust color adjustment from here. You can see you can easily adjust this. So these were the options. You can correct this. Here is few options. Also sky replacements. You can see here is a selection tool, sky brush, extend or reduce the sky area, and also you will get a hand tool and zoom tool here. So after that you can new layers, output to, or duplicate layer. It will be duplicate or it will be in the new layer. So here is the sky replacement group. So you can just turn the visibility and you can see this was before and this was after. This was before and this was after. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.